Welcome to this new video, Knowledge-Hungry Minds. Let's dive into the fiery world of spiciness and examine in this ranking the top 10 spiciest substances in the world. More precisely, this is the ranking of the most popular substances reported by the National Institute of Standard and Technologic. To measure the spiciness of substances, the Scoville scale is used, named after its inventor, the American chemist Wilbur Scoville. This scale measures the amount of capsaicinoids contained in the substances. So, let's dive straight into this fiery and unexpected ranking. 10. Sweet paprika. A spice known to everyone, but perhaps not everyone knows that it's simply dried and ground peppers. Sweet paprika has a value of 0 on the Scoville scale, as it contains practically no capsaicin. 9. Tabasco sauce. It's probably the most well-known hot sauce in the world. Made from the homonymous cultivar of chili pepper from the species Capsicum frutescens. Although its name comes from the homonymous state in Mexico, it was first produced in Avery Island, Louisiana. The original Tabasco sauce has a value of 3,750. 8. Jalapeno. A typical ingredient in spicy dishes of Mexican cuisine and beyond. It is named after the city of Jalapa in Mexico, where it was traditionally cultivated. Jalapeno pepper is recognized by its elongated shape and bright dark green color, which comes from early harvesting. The capsaicin contained in its seeds brings its value to 5,000. 7. Cayenne. Known for its use in powder form, with its slightly smoky and bitter notes. This pepper was imported from South America by Christopher Columbus after his landing in 1492. It owes its name to the port city of Cayenne, the departmental capital of French Guiana. It reaches a value of 50,000. 6. Habanero. Another famous chili pepper, whose name comes from Havana, the capital of Cuba, from where it is believed to originate. The world's largest producer is Mexico, where it is cultivated in Yucatan, Campeche, and Quintana Roo. Although there are commercial cultivations also in Belize, Costa Rica, Texas, and California. Its spiciness reaches a value of 150,000. 5. Carolina Reaper. First created in South Carolina, by crossing a Naga Morich with a red habanero. It has the reputation of being one of the hottest peppers in the world. The Carolina Reaper is red in color and has an end that resembles a scorpion's tail. The concentration of capsaicin inside it is so high that just contact with the flesh can cause strong burning sensations. The taste of this chili is fruity, sweet, with hints of cinnamon and chocolate, and it is used for sauce production. On the Scoville scale, it reaches the impressive score of 1,500,000 points. 4. Pepper X. You are facing the hottest pepper in the world. Created through a series of crosses of other extremely hot peppers. It looks like a shriveled unripe nut, with a greenish color. It is not used for human consumption due to its extreme spiciness, which limits its use. On the Scoville scale, it has an incredible value of 3,180,000. 3. Pepper spray. Let's talk about pepper spray issued to the police. This hellish canister contains nebulized capsaicin. Its effects can last from 20 to 60 minutes and are terrifying. Mainly of an inflammatory nature on the nose, eyes, skin. With immediate manifestations of coughing, spasms, burning, nausea, tearing, swelling of the throat. Abundant nasal mucus discharge, disorientation, and irritation. Its score is a whopping 5,300,000. 2. Pure capsaicin. It's exactly the substance that makes peppers spicy, but in its pure state. In this state, it appears as an odorless white powder. It may seem harmless, but of course, it is actually very dangerous. To handle it safely, you need to wear a lab coat, goggles, and gloves. We can find it in some nerve pain relievers or as an analgesic in topical ointments and transdermal patches to relieve pain. It reaches a value of an impressive 16 million points on the Scoville scale. 1. Resinifera toxin. Here is the spiciest substance ever known to man. It is contained in two particular species of succulent plants. Euphorbia resinifera, which grows in Morocco, and Euphorbia poissonii, which grows in northern Nigeria. It is so dangerous that even a tiny amount on the skin can cause severe chemical burns. In fact, it is not possible to obtain it, as it is about 1,000 times stronger than pure capsaicin. It reaches the record score of 15 billion on the Scoville scale. Practically hell on earth. We have reached the end of this scorching ranking. Write in the comments which is the spiciest substance you have ever tasted. And what do you think is the most effective method to remove spiciness? Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you soon.